This fan is underpowered. It don't have enough power at all. Even on high speed, it's not really high speed. It's more like low speed. I didn't realize that at the time. This is a weak high velocity fan. I wouldn't even consider this fan a high velocity fan. It's more like a low velocity fan. Here he goes. Never mind the noise and the talking over there. They're doing some work. But anyways, here we go. Look at this. This is weak. That's low speed. That's weak. Medium is weak. And then look at this. High speed is garbage. That's still weak. That's nothing. High speed on this is more like low speed, what low speed should be. Now making some weird stinking noise. What is wrong with this fan? It wasn't doing that before. Possibly something wrong with the motor. Or it could be something wrong with the capacitor. Well, this is not going to work out for me too well. This is not going to cut it. I can't use this as an exhaust fan. I'm just trying different fans in the window to see what would be good. I know the TPI is good. I got it. I don't need you telling me in the comment box, why don't you put the TPI back in the window? That's a more powerful fan. That'll push all the hot air out. I know. I get it. I get it. But I'm just trying different fans in the window. The purpose of this video is not for you to get in the comment box and try to tell me what fan to put in the window. I'm just trying to show you that this fan is somewhat weak and has some kind of stinking problem now with the motor. And that high speed on this is really low speed. It's what low speed should be for a fan of this size with a cheap piece of crap motor. And now that motor is making that awful noise. I don't know what that noise is about. It's probably about the ready to burn out or something. And it hasn't gotten a lot of hours. I haven't used it a lot. I don't get it. But we'll see how long this fan actually lasts. It does have a pretty beefy cord. And as you saw there, it actually does have a replaceable fuse. But that's what happens when you get cheap stuff like this from China. Now, don't get in the comments being stupid and rude about that, or I will have to block you. So, let's see. Is it moving in the air? Barely. It's barely moving in the air. Like, that's the type of airflow you would have on low speed. It's just like a real calm, gentle breeze. So, really, it only has apparently 3 different levels of low speed. Weak, and then weaker, and then a tad bit stronger. Now that noise is starting to increase. That noise is starting to increase. It's starting to get louder. So let's just see how long this thing actually lasts before it dies. And this is sad because it hasn't had a lot of use. And it's making this off-the-wall noise. It didn't do it when I first turned it on, but now I decided to make that crazy noise on camera. So maybe it's dying out on me. Oh well. Am I going to get it replaced if it dies? No. I am not going to get it replaced if it dies. If it dies, oh well, it's gone. I'll try to see what I can do by giving it oil. Maybe that'll bring it back. I don't know. It's a weak fan anyway. It's not even worth trying to save. It don't move hardly no air. It don't push hardly no air at all. It's not like the motor's about to give out. It might be that capacitor. If you notice, the noise is now changing. It's definitely running under spec. So yeah, this thing could be potentially burning out on me. That's awful. Never mind those people. They're doing a lot of work back there. So just try not to pay that no attention. I can't help that. I can't do nothing about that. Okay? Yeah, this thing died on me. I'll definitely have another video showing that. But, this is awful. I'm just pulling it out for the first time using it. But I wouldn't consider this to be a good fan for pushing out hot air because it's barely moving a breeze on low speed, because that's all it is. High speed is really low. It's what low should be. And that's terrible. All right, well, that's enough of this video. Thanks for watching. If anything else happened to it off camera, I'll come back and show you. The Month Fan, man. Don't worry about all that stinking noise you keep hearing. They're doing some work back there. And out.